One quick thing that I wanted to mention about components and instances is that you can detach instances. So let's create this example again where we have a frame, hello world, and we make that a component. And now we create an instance by option dragging. And so we have a few instances here. And these guys will update when we update the main component here. So that's all good and well. And we can make some overrides, like hello world, this is great. However, there are some overrides that we can't make for technical reasons, I assume. For instance, we can't move the text inside this instance. We can move it in the component up here, and it will propagate to all the instances. But like the instances, you can do some things, but you can't do everything. So you can override the text color, not a problem, but you cannot override the position. And so typically you want to create dynamic components that sort of solve all the problems at the top layer and then gives options in the instances. So like just thinking through the component design ahead of time so that the instances have what they need is really good. But sometimes you just like, screw it, I need to get on with my day and I need to move this text in this one instance. And what you can do then is detach the instance. And that completely kills the connections between the instance and the main component. So now if we update this, maybe we move the text, these two are still connected, they're still instances, but this guy has been disconnected, so it's just a regular frame now. And it's kind of almost a joke amongst designers, like detach component, because it's similar to like in code, if you don't have time to like fix the actual problem, you just like copy paste the code and like, fuck it, now we have the same code in two places. That's a terrible solution, but maybe it's what you need if you're just like trying to get something to work for a demo, or you just need it to work quickly and then you're gonna discard the code. Maybe that's fine, but just know that like detaching an instance is typically not the way you want to solve things, because yeah, you lose all the upstream changes. And so if somebody has created a beautiful design system with like great components, as soon as you detach the children, they won't get any new changes. And that's typically like not good in a design system. So you can detach, but just like know that that's kind of the nuclear option.